Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. Beautiful condition inside and out. I believe this is an LT model. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll do it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Really nice condition. Okay, here we go. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. It's really nice. Take a look at the lower light. Upper light, beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape. Nice chrome. The other light, also in beautiful shape. Lower light, beautiful condition. Hood looks brand new. Really nice shape. Looks amazing. Very nice. Does have a little scratch right here. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front fender. Driver's side, beautiful condition. Driver door, really amazing shape there. Rear door on driver's side, looks amazing. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Hatch in the back, looks amazing. Super nice condition. Rear lights look good. Very nice shape all the way through. Lower bumper looks good. Parking sensors in the rear. Nice feature. Take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side. Looks amazing. Rear door on the passenger side also in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Front door, passenger side looks amazing. Super nice. Front fender on the passenger side looks amazing. Super nice. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Take a look at the roof. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape overall. Looks brand new. All right, that concludes our walk around this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, taking a look at the door panel on the front. Driver's side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Super nice. Armrest in beautiful shape. All the controls for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the driver's seat. It is manual, but it's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Rugs are clean. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front, passenger side, door panel in the front. Beautiful condition. Looks super clean throughout. Take a look at the controls, power windows, power locks on this one. Armrest looks good. A little bit of storage on the bottom. Passenger seat in the front looks amazing. Very nice condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. Look at the dashboard steering wheel. Everything looks brand new on this one. Very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Beautiful condition back here. Looks very nice. Take a look at the seats. Beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Rugs are clean. Really amazing shape. Take a look up above here. Panoramic roof. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Looks very nice. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition on the rear seat. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Couple USBs here in the center with AC vents on the top here. This one has a large panoramic roof. We're going to open that up in a moment. We'll take a look at it in a minute. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Equinox. I'm going to go and start it up. Check it out. Here's the key fob. It's got a case on it. Really nice. Okay, lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. So we're going to set the key down here in the cup holder. We're going to press the brake, press the start button right here. Here we go. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Super nice. Really nice display here. Okay, so this one has 11,828 miles. Super nice. Okay, so right now in the cluster you could see the miles per hour, the RPMs, the position of the transmission, miles till empty, the date, time, and temperature outside, and also the radio station you're playing now. So I'm accelerating there. If you can see the RPMs, how they move. That is super nice. It's got a button here. You could click this and it changes the display. So right now we're looking at the navigation on the actual cluster. It looks super nice. See the miles per hour, miles till empty. Click it again. It shows another one. And this shows you the distance, the collision alert here in the front, which you could actually select the gap. See that there? Change the gap on it. So that's nice. We'll leave it all the way. You click on this again here. Goes back to the clean one here, just shows miles per hour. Click again, it goes to the original one. That is super nice. Okay, front and rear wiper controls right here. The shifter here for the transmission. This for the cruise control, the collision alert right here. Speak commands, the audio, volume controls, heated steering wheel. This is the button we change the display on the cluster. Over here, we're looking at the emergency brake release, the bypass for the engine off, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition, looks leather wrapped, looks really nice. Really nice condition, looks amazing. Dashboard steering wheel's in beautiful condition, look at that, looks super nice. All right, take a look here at the controls here in the center. Heated seats, controls for the AC. It is a manual, it doesn't have the automatic, but it looks really nice. Down below here, you got USB plugs, little storage there, little tray there, cup holders, another little tray there. Super nice, look at that storage there. Very nice. Take a look in here. Glove box is clean. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Look at that, super nice. Up above here, we have the controls for the roof, OnStar. Let's take a look at those visors with lights on both sides. Super nice. So right now we had put the shade all the way back to take pictures, but let's go ahead and open the roof. There you go. Goes all the way to the back. And then let's go ahead and close it. And then you could pop it up if you like. Pop it up, just let the heat out, go back down, and we'll close the shade. Super nice. Really amazing. Okay, that's pretty much it on that. Let's take a look at the information center. We're gonna go home here. I'm gonna go to settings. I like going to vehicle and showing you the safety features on it. Collision detection. Okay, so we have the alert. The seat vibrates, or you can set it up for it to beep. So the vibrate seat is really cool. Automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, and alert. Collision braking, adaptive cruise, side bicyclist, lane alert, parking assist with braking, and rear cross traffic. It's loaded up, it's got all the toys. Super nice. It's got a lot of features here. The buckle to drive, the teen driver, rear seat reminder. Super nice. Let's go here. Here you see the navigation on one side, on the other side you see the radio. The radio controls right there. Sources, all the sources that are there now. AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, news, USB, and Alexa. So we'll go back here. This is to pair your phone. The Google navigation. And up on top here, safety controls, the dome light, parking assist, all that good stuff there. All right, well, that's pretty much the interior on this one. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a minute. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Let's take it for a spin. Nice acceleration, super quick. Feels really great. Nice power. Look at that, going 60. Super quick. All right, let's check out the brakes here and the steering here. Feels really nice, nice and tight. Really smooth drive. Quick acceleration. Brakes feel good. Really nice drive. All right, let's go ahead and check out the backup camera. Super nice. Find a little spot here to back up. And then that conclude our test drive. Here we go. Let's put in reverse. So right here's to put in reverse. It goes up like that. We'll put it back. I'll show you how the different selections are there in a minute. So we're backing up here. It's got those little lines, the squiggle back and forth depending on how you're going. We're rolling back. Super nice. It also has parking sensors in the back. You can see here, as soon as they start going off, it shows up here on the cluster, shows you what you're gonna hit right there. That is so nice. And it keeps flashing. The seat vibrates or it beeps. You can pre-select that. Okay, so let me show you how you put it in gear here. So if you scroll down like that, it's in drive there. If you put it up one, it's in reverse, drive, and then to park, you put it right there. That's it, pretty much it. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back, engine, and the tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at the cargo area back here. Beautiful shape. Look at these nice LED lights back here. Very nice. This one has a power plug here. Down below here, a little bit of storage there. Lower level. Brand new spare tire with all the tools beneath it. Very nice. Really beautiful condition. Those seats fold forward in case you need more space. Really amazing condition. Looks wonderful. Very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks very nice all the way through. Really beautiful condition. Really great shape. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Looks amazing. Taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in beautiful shape. A lot of tread on there. It looks amazing. Continental tires all the way around. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice. No marks or anything on it. It looks very nice condition. We'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Look at the tread on there. It looks amazing. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Very nice all the way through. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great. UsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.